To create a Google Keyword Planner account, you need to have a Google Ads account. Start by going to the Google Ads website and clicking on the Get Started button. You will be asked to sign in with your Google account, so enter your email address and password to proceed. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one by clicking on the Create Account button and following the prompts. Once you are signed in, you will be asked to set up your Google Ads account by providing some basic information such as your business name, country, and time zone. Next, you will be asked to set up your billing information. You can choose to set up your billing information now or later. If you choose to set it up now, you will be asked to provide your billing address and payment details. If you choose to set it up later, you can still use the Keyword Planner tool, but you will not be able to create ads. After setting up your Google Ads account, you can access the Keyword Planner tool by clicking on the Tools and Settings icon and selecting Keyword Planner from the drop-down menu. The Keyword Planner tool is a powerful tool that helps you find keywords and phrases that are relevant to your business and that people are searching for on Google. To use the Keyword Planner tool, start by selecting the Discover New Keywords option. You will be asked to enter a website, product, or service to get started. Enter a keyword or phrase that is relevant to your business, and the tool will provide you with a list of keyword ideas and phrases that are related to what you entered. You can also use the Get Search Volume and Forecasts option to get an idea of how many people are searching for a particular keyword or phrase, and to forecast how many impressions and clicks you can expect to get if you create an ad for that keyword. This information can help you to choose the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your business. Best practices for using the Keyword Planner tool include being specific with your keywords, using long-tail keywords, and targeting keywords that have low competition and high search volume. By following these best practices and using the Keyword Planner tool, you can create effective ad campaigns that reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website.